Hey, Dana here, and welcome to Searching For. Well, I just got the final. I just got my propulsion system. 96 MXT, 36-pound thrust, and it is a Minn Kota power drive with the foot pedal system. I used to drive these when I was using a forklift. You had to use your foot left and right to get your power forward and back. So it's an older, older motor, but I'm not. I just want to get myself in the water at the moment, and I got which came with the motor. I got a Autocraft Marine, so I picked them both up for $100, $50 actually. So that worked out well. So now I just got to modify, because this particular model is set up to go on the bow of a boat and pull you around while you're fishing. So I'm going to have to rig it up so I can put it on the back here and use it from the back, from the stern. So it's possible. I have no problem with that. I couldn't pass up $25 for that and $25 for the motor. Because I see these on there for, they want 130 on up. I haven't been able to find one anything cheaper. I kind of liked it because it had the pad. If I had found this, I probably would have bought one that had the handle sticking off of it. But I figured this is on the floor, or I can have it up here. I can set my speed with this thing here. You just set your speed for how fast you want to go, and then you can push on this, it'll go left. Push on that, it'll go right. And so we'll see how this turns out. But there we go. I have my propulsion system. Down the road, I'll upgrade, just like my sonar. I'll upgrade. Right now I'm waiting for another power cable, because it didn't come with the 7-inch, and we'll go ahead and so I have both 7-inch. This has got they both have the structure set up, so I can use structure on either one of them. This is a skimmer. This is a down image. So I'm going to hook that down image up on this. There's enough cable to set that down image on the bottom of the motor here, if I want to do that. And then as I'm trolling, I'm getting just a down image of everything. And then with this one here, I'm getting side and down. So I shouldn't miss anything underneath, right? We hope. But eventually I want to upgrade. I'd like to upgrade to 210s, and then a 3D structure setup. So it'll actually map the bottom for you. We're just about there. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, definitely share. If you'd like to donate to the cause, I have links. And just by watching and sharing, it helps my YouTube algorithm. So thanks for watching. We will catch you on the next Searching For.